Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in the Twitch app on your Android phone. If you're looking to update your image and personalize your Twitch profile, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and simple. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom corner to enter your profile section. Then, click on the Edit Profile button in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your current profile picture. Now, select Choose Existing Photo to access your phone's gallery. Then, browse through your gallery and tap on the photo you want to use. Finally, click the OK checkmark icon in the top right corner to confirm and save your new profile picture. That's it. Your Twitch profile picture is now updated. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you easily update your Twitch profile picture. For more useful Android and app tips, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.